Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design fourth body in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. For unit, ensure select in millimeter, and we can see again. Here is drawing section view of this part. We start draw from front view, so right click on front plane and click sketch. First, select center line and draw from this point to the top like this. Set for length is center line, for diameter. Total height this part is 120 plus 150 is 270. So input in here in 270 millimeter. Yes. Okay. In here we just sketch a half of this part. Sketch here like this because we want to use revolve boss feature to make this part. So just select line and draw line like this. Draw line like this, 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 like this. So ensure this point, click Ctrl and this point, click make horizontal, and this point, click Ctrl to this point, click make horizontal. Then we can to set for dimension in here. This line have diameter in 76, so just input this to this center line in 76 millimeter like this. This line diameter in 92 millimeter, and this line to this center line have diameter in 114 millimeter. Then this line to this line have diameter in 150 millimeter like this, and here in 180 158 like this. Then don't forget for this line have width in 6 millimeter. Just input in 6 millimeter like this. Then we can to set for in here for the length or the height this line in 54. This line here in 54 sorry 54 millimeter like this, and here have in 10 millimeter we can to drag for this point like this, and for distance this line to the bottom this point have distance in 95 millimeter like this. Okay, don't forget in here have a fillet radius 10 and here have fillet radius 5 millimeter. So just sketch fillet parameter in 10 millimeter for this point, click OK, and change in 5 millimeter to make this fillet, click OK like this. Each first step is so simple, and so you input all dimension like this, input all dimension, and in here is chamfer. We can to make chamfer after we revolve this part like this, so we can ignore here because we can to make chamfer after we revolve this part. Okay, then we can to select line again, draw from this point this and click A on your keyboard like this, click A on your keyboard like this, and line again here, and click A on your keyboard. Make line this, this. Ensure this line, click make horizontal. Then we can ensure for this point, click make tangent. This point, click make tangent. And ensure this point, click make tangent. This point, click make tangent. And this point, click make tangent. Like this. So we can input for dimension in here. Diameter in here to here in 220. So this line to this center line in 220 millimeter, like this. So we can do set for dimension in here. This line have diameter in 124. This to this in 124 millimeter, like this. And this line have width in 20 millimeter, and here have radius in 10 millimeter. Here radius in 25 and radius in 26. Radius in 25 and here radius in 26 millimeter. Okay. Insert in here this point and this line have make horizontal. So this point, click Control and click this line. Sorry. This point, click Control and click this point. Just click make horizontal like this. And don't forget to set for dimension. Diameter this line to this center line here. This line and this center line have diameter in 182 millimeter, like this. Then you can see here have chamfer, radius fillet in 10 millimeter, sketch fillet again in 10 millimeter. Click this in, just click OK, and we can set for dimension in here in 20 millimeter, and for diameter this line to this center line in 250 millimeter, like this. Okay, ensure input all dimension like this. You must full dimension like this and input all dimension like this, appropriate this drawing. Okay, after we make all dimension and input all dimension like this. Okay, we can check in here. You just input all dimension appropriate this drawing. After we make sketch like this, we just use feature. The name is revolve boss or base, and for axis of revolution automatically in line 1 or center line in here, and just click OK. We can see from section view in here. Click OK. Normal sketch, front plane, right click and click sketch. We can see from section view like this. Don't forget in here have chamfer 2 by 45 degree. So just click on feature. We can to exit first in here, and you can see from here, and just click chamfer. Chamfer parameter change in 2 millimeter for distance, and here is correct in 45 degree angle in here. Select this edge. Select this edge and just click OK, and done. It's so simple. Then we can to right click on the front plane and click sketch. When to make in here sketch like this with revolve boss tool, So we just to make center line, draw to here, ensure this point and this point, click make vertical, and this center line click make horizontal. Set for distance this center line to this bottom edge, have distance in 150 like this. Automatically in here in 120. It's correct. Again, to just distance in here, length in 180, or this center line in 180 millimeter for distance, and just draw line like this, 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 this to this. Ensure this point and this point, click Ctrl and click make vertical, and set for dimension in here, thickness in 20 millimeter, and here have diameter in 76 millimeter, and here have diameter in 108 millimeter, and here outer have diameter in 220 millimeter like this. Don't forget to sketch fillet from this in 10 millimeter and click OK. Fillet like this. So after that we can use feature again and click default boss or base. Automatically axis of revolution is line 1. Click OK like this, and right click on this sketch and click sketch. Sorry, we can repeat here. Right click on this face and click sketch. Click convert entities and just click this edge or this circle and click OK. Click feature and click extrude cut. For direction, just click or select in up to next. Just click OK like this. We can remove in here. So right click on front plane again and click sketch. Click convert entities. Just select this edge. Sorry, we can repeat in here. Right click on front plane and click sketch, and we can see again on revolve 1, we can click sketch 1 and just click convert entities. We can trim entities of this line, 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 and this line like this, and just make center line from here to top to this midpoint like this, and select line, connect this point to this, and connect this point to this. And just click feature again. Now we can use feature revolve cut. Click yes. Automatically axis of revolution is the center line, and just click OK. And done like this. It's so simple. We can see again from full part. Click again section view. In here we can to make 6 hole, diameter in 18.5. Right click on this face and click sketch. First draw circle. Select from this point in here, draw. In here 6 hole, diameter 18.5, equal space on diameter 180. So make this circle in diameter 180 millimeter. So right click on this circle and click contraction geometry. Click circle, draw from this point here. Diameter in this hole in 18.5 millimeter, and click here and click circular sketch pattern. And in this pattern, just click this circle And for parameter in here, right click and click delete. Select this center or this point. And for number of instance, input in 6, because in here in 6 hole, just click OK. Now we can click feature and click extrude cut, direction up to next, and click OK like this. And right click on this face and click sketch like before. Make circle, right click and click construction geometry, diameter here in 180, and make circle from this point, diameter in 18.5 millimeter. Here 6 hole, diameter 18.5, equal space on diameter 180. Click again, circle cut pattern, and in this pattern just click this circle. The center is correct in here, and just change for number of instance of hole in 6. Click OK, click feature and click extrude cut, direction is up to next, and click OK, and done. Now for the last in here, before we make hole in here have diameter m action. So don't forget in here have fillet radius in 10. So click fillet in 10 millimeter, just select this edge, click OK like this, and right click on this face and click sketch. Now we can draw midpoint line like this. Ensure this line, click make horizontal, and right click construction geometry. Set for the length in here space on diameter 204. So input in here 204 millimeter like this, and click exit sketch. In here we don't use extrude cut because in here have diameter m18, so we use feature, the name is hole wizard. Click hole wizard, and for hole type just click hole in here. And for example, standard in here I use in ISO, and type in here we use drill size. You can change on doll hole or drill size, but in here I use for example in drill size because in here is valve body. For connection is usually use drill size. It just for example like this. And for size, ensure you input in diameter in 18, because in 18 m18. And for end condition in up to next, just click position, click 3D sketch, and select this point. Just click on this point, click OK. Now we can to make another in here 6 with feature. Click here circular pattern, and feature and face, just click here hole diameter 18, and direction just click this edge. Ensure for number of instance in 6, and just click OK, and done. We can hide this line like this. We can check for the section view like this, click OK. It's like this for same like this drawing. Okay, we can full again for C, and we can change for appearances. Select all feature, and here we can change in polish steel, appearance in metal, and polish steel, for example like this. Okay, thank you for watching Alien video. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in the tutorial. Thank you for watching Alien video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.